I constantly roam the streets and people constantly stop me and say, hey, are you Travis Scott? Or like, hey, aren't you the African-American rap sensation known as Travis Scott? And every single time I have to say no. And it's gotten to the point where I can't even leave my house. I can't even go outside. I can't even like interact with people. I have to be 6 feet apart because people just constantly stop me, and also because of the quarantine. So today we're gonna be taking pictures, self-portraits as Travis Scott.
I'm at a pub, 100 cups. Still I don't think it's gonna be enough. Get played by the game and you level up. Here for the fame or you in a rush. Pockets with money, I fell in love. We smoking grab it, don't roll a Dutch. They ain't a lame if you in the cut.
These are the 3 pictures I've chosen. And what you're gonna be needing if you wanna follow along with me is gonna be needing an LED flash panel, or just maybe a lamp, then a flash for your camera, or a flash for your phone if you wanna use your phone. And if you wanna do it by yourself, you're gonna need a tripod or something to hold your phone, or somebody to hold your phone. Depending on how you get that, you just need to have a stable place so you can take the picture by yourself. So basically what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna have a pitch dark room and turn on that lamp or the LED and have it facing basically one side of your face. This is my LED panel. It's 40 bucks. I'm gonna leave the description for Amazon if you wanna buy it too. It's really cheap, it's really nice, and it's really blinding. I'm using it right now actually for this intro. It's just that one light hitting me. What the effect of this picture is, it's called a star filter effect. So normally you would put a filter on your lens and that would cause this effect, which basically makes the light shine like a little starways. So there's different ones which you can buy also on Amazon, but Amazon is taking a long while to send stuff, and I'm also very broke right now, so I've decided to go against that, and we're gonna be recreating that in Photoshop. So you don't need that. If you wanna buy it, cool. If you wanna buy the huge backlit panel that Travis Scott used for this picture, that will cost a lot, then yeah, go ahead and buy it. But we're gonna use, at least for me, I'm only gonna use the LED panel. So basically just shine it on one side of your face, just take the picture and bam, there you go, that's the picture. And you're gonna be like, Gonzalo, that looks nothing like this picture. You're a total scam. So first of all, yes, I'm a total scam, but second of all, this is the power of editing. So you wanna take this picture and turn it into this picture.
To edit the picture, you're gonna need to download an app called Lightroom that's free if you edit just JPEGs. So you can get it on your phone, and then you're gonna open up the app, and now you're gonna use these settings. So the exposure, I did a little bit up, contrast down to 27, highlights up to 46, shadows down to 47, whites up to 35, blacks down to 44. And then you're gonna press curves and do 3 points, and then start moving it around until it looks just like this. And then you're gonna white balance, put temperature up to 53, tint up to 51, highlights in yellow and shadows in red, and just copy the saturation. Dehaze down to 14, grain up to 39, size up to 30, and roughness, keep it at 50. Then once you're done, you're going to open it up in a new app called Precool that's also free. And you're going to get 2 filters. One is going to be called Dream. You're going to select number 2. Filter is going to be 0, and intensity is going to be at 47. Then you're going to open up the next filter called Miami 2, and then intensity at 70. And then you're going to have a picture similar to this.
So, all right. So I'm going to show you 2 pictures, okay? You never seen these pictures. I've never showed them to you. This is the first time you're ever seeing them. Okay, so who is this person, right?
Travis Scott, easy.
Yeah. You know that, right? But who is this person?
Travis Scott.
Are you sure? Are you positive?
Absolutely sure.
Absolutely sure. Well, it's actually me. It's actually not Travis Scott. This is me.
You're lying to me.
Yeah, this is me. This is actually a picture, just a picture of me. But this is Travis Scott.
I can't tell the difference.
Yeah, and I took it with this camera and stuff. You know, it's just different pictures. It's not the same picture, man.
You got like heavy equipment there.
No, not even, bro. It was super cheap. It was a super cheap equipment.
So you're saying like cheap equipment can make you look at Travis Scott like that?
Yeah. And I took the picture myself. So anybody at home could do this. Anybody could just learn how to do this through this video. That's the thing, and I'm showing it online. And you being,
if you pass yourself off like Travis Scott, I need to get your autograph.
Yeah, and you being a doctor and very like well known in the doctor community. Hey, stop laughing. Very well known in the doctor community. Like you must attest to this, that I am one of the best editors in the world, right?
Yeah,
just say,
it tells all right there. You're one of the best.
Just say me as a doctor, which I studied.
As a doctor.
Say
Me as a
Me as
doctor that I studied for years and years would say that that's Travis Scott. Those both are Travis Scott.
Me as a doctor that studied for years and years would say that's Travis Scott.
Alright, cool.
Hiding stains you make, I leave no trace.
These two, I'm pretty sure they were shot by Ray Script in mind just because of the style and stuff. So basically what you're gonna want is you're gonna want a camera and the flash. So you could use your phone. I think he might have a gel for his flash. So basically you put a gel in front of the flash, and when the flash comes out of the camera, it'll go through the gel, the colored gel, and it'll make this tone. But with white balance and highlights and split toning and all that, you can actually make this effect in post. So I'll show you guys. I just used my normal flash. I used my camera. I went outside. I was supposed to have a skateboard in this picture, but scratch the skateboard. I'm gonna use the power of acting that I've honed for years and years, and I'm gonna pretend I have a skateboard, and you're gonna use your imagination.
All right, so flash directly hitting you. That's what you want, and you want it to be, well, at least for this picture, it was a little bit dusk, and I didn't quite get dusk because all my neighbors were jogging, and it became really weird because I was just taking pictures there. So I said, hey, okay, I'm gonna just call it a day. So this is the before picture, and this is the after. So just made it warmer. So I'll show you guys how to do that. I went in personally because I wanted to make the roof screen, and I added that in Photoshop. But you don't have to really do that. That's essentially what you get.
Who is that? Who's that person?
Travis Scott.
Right. Yeah, that's what you would say, right? But then who is this person, huh?
Travis Scott, different angle.
No, bro. It's actually me.
Nah, side by side, exactly the same. No difference.
No, bro. Look at that. Like, look at the difference. Okay, so I have different tattoos, right? And it's actually me. This is Travis Scott. He has different tattoos.
No, that'd be the only way to tell apart the pictures, then.
Yeah, but the thing is, you can't even tell them apart.
Only with the tattoos.
No. You can't even notice that difference. Like, all right, let's.
No, yeah, only because you pointed it out.
No, let's redo that. Let's redo that part. Okay, so you can't notice even one difference, right?
No.
Yeah, but slightly the tattoos though. Like maybe you could notice that.
Barely, but you're not looking at the
Oh no, not barely. You can't even see it at all. That's the thing. All right, let's. All right, thank you so much. This has been lovely. It was actually me the whole time, me with chains, and I took the picture right over there.
Wow.
Yeah. I put on the chains and I took that picture. It was actually me the whole time.
That's insane.
Isn't it insane, bro? It's
absolutely like flabbergasted.
Yeah. And you being a doctor, can you say that part again?
Me, doctor who studied for years and years, you're one of the best editors ever.
So yeah, that's basically how you edit the images on your phone. I'm gonna make a separate video for the computer just because it was a little bit too long already. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed making it. I'd still have a lot more videos of pictures of strangers. Maybe I have, actually not a lot, I have like 4 left that I still have to edit. That I shot before the quarantine and stuff like that, so I could still edit those, but I just wasn't feeling it, and I really wanted to create something instead of just like editing. So I had a lot of fun filming this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you guys enjoyed it, like the video. If not, then like the video and subscribe. So.